Welcome to Abbas Gallery. The Volkswagen Arteon is manufactured at Volkswagen's Emden plant in northwest East Frisia, Germany, where the river EMS meets the North Sea. Around 9,500 employees work at the Emden location, and up to 1,250 vehicles can be produced there every day. Today the Passat Saloon, and exclusively the 7th generation Passat Estate, alongside the new Arteon are built at the plant. A special feature of the Emden factory location is its close proximity to the port of Emden and its vehicle loading hub. Here, around 1 million new vehicles are imported and exported each year. Ships heading for North America and Japan leave the port several times a week. Vehicles are shipped to the UK almost every day. Emden has an eventful history spanning 1200 years. The old trading town experienced an economic upturn after the Dortmund EMS Canal was completed in 1899. Today, tourism and vehicle production at the Volkswagen plant are the main pillars of the economy in Emden and East Frisia. As with a growing number of Volkswagen brand and group models, the new Arteon uses as its base the Volkswagen Group's MQB, modular Korbekisten, platform or modular transverse matrix. The introduction of the MQB strategy with the arrival of Golf 7 in 2012, represented a turning point in the design and production of future automobiles with transverse-mounted engines, as it standardized many vehicle component parameters, across brands and vehicle classes, and at the same time, it offered access to new technologies.